Hello kids, today we will draw a cute robot. So let's start. First, draw a curvy box shape. Make it like a circle. Good job! Now draw another curvy square box inside it. Well done, it's looking very great. Now draw the robot's ear. Draw a line, then make a curve. Lastly, draw a line inside it. Now draw the other ear just like this. Do the same thing, and it's done. It's looking very nice. Now draw a line on the head and draw a circle. Then draw another line and another circle. Draw the last shape, and it's done. Good job! Now draw the eye. First, draw a circle, then draw another circle inside it, and slowly fill in the color. Well done! Now draw the other eye just like this. Now fill in the color. And it's done. Lastly, draw a cute, happy smile. Look, we completed the robot's head. Now draw the robot's body. Make it like an oval shape. Good job! Now draw a curvy line and make it like this. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Now draw the robot's hand. Draw a circle, then draw two small lines like this. Now draw a curvy line and make a box. Don't forget to draw the robot's fingers. Good job! It's looking very great. Now draw the other hand just like this. Draw a circle, then draw two small lines like this. Now draw a curvy line and make a box. Don't forget to draw the robot's fingers. It's looking very beautiful. Now draw the robot's leg just like the hand. Draw a circle, then draw a line. Now connect it with a curvy line. Draw a curvy line on both sides and connect it. Draw a line inside it, and it's done. Well done! Now draw the other leg just like this. Draw a circle, then draw a line. Now connect it with a curvy line. Draw step by step, and it's done. Lastly, draw a cute heart shape on the chest. Good job! We completed the drawing. So let's color it. First, use blue color and color the head. Color the outside only, and don't make any mistakes. Now color the robot's body. Color the outside like this. Good job! Now color the robot's hand. Color the square part, and it's done. Lastly, color the robot's leg. Color the outline, then slowly fill in the color. Look how great it's looking. Now use yellow color and color the robot's face. Color the outline first so you don't make any mistakes. Just color left and right, left and right, left and right, and it's done. Make sure not to color the eyes. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! It's looking very great. Now color the robot's body. Do the same thing. Color the outline. Then fill in the color. Don't color the heart shape. Well done! It's looking very cute. Now use pink color and color the hand. Also, color the robot fingers, and it's done. Good job! Now color the other hand just like this. Color carefully and don't color outside the lines. Color the leg also. First, color the circle, then color the small lines. Now do the same thing and color the other leg. Well done! Now use dark blue color and color the robot's ear. Color the other ear also. Now color the hand like this. Well done! Now color the robot's leg. Color both legs, and it's done. Look how colorful it's looking. Now use red color and color the heart shape. Color the outline, then slowly fill in the color. Now color the robot's ears. Color both ears. Lastly, use red color and color the 3 circles on the head. Good job! It's looking very beautiful. Lastly, use white color and draw a circle on each eye. Also, draw a small circle, and it's done. Make both eyes shiny. Now draw a curved line on the heart shape, and it's done. Lastly, draw lines on the legs, and look, we completed the drawing. Look how beautiful and colorful the robot is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.